Welcome to my channel, All for Health with Jane. Family, today there was a delay at court. They started a little late because of the dispute that was there between the state and the defense. This dispute was caused by the order that was given by the judge yesterday when he said the state must give the defense some dockets that the defense wanted to make a study on. When proceedings started on Tuesday, the 23rd of January 2024, in the morning, State Prosecutor Baloyi told the court about a serious dispute between the state and defense over a docket involving Bongani Ntanzi's alleged crimes and 4 other dockets. The docket refers to an unfinalized Nongoma murder and unlawful possession of firearms case involving Ntanzi. The defense was of the view that copies can be made of the dockets, and we therefore they couldn't reach an agreement yesterday. This is what Advocate Baloyi told the court the dispute was all about. He told the court it was not part of the court's order that copies could be made. However, Judge Ratha said his ruling that no copies of dockets can be made still stands. Those are privileged documents, and the accused are not entitled to the documents as a matter of rights. That's what Judge Ratha said. Family, we're going to listen and watch at this video where Advocate Baloyi was giving his part in terms of explaining why there was a dispute. Family, let's watch.
And the state, as regards the order that the court made yesterday.
Which one is that?
The state stance is that the court ordered that the dockets, that is now the Nongoma docket, and the other 4 dockets be perused here in court.
Yes, quite.
In fact, the court remarked that they may not be taken home.
Yeah.
However, the defense were of the view that the court order can be interpreted in such a way that that copies can be made of those dockets, and we therefore could not reach
those are privileged documents, are they not?
An agreement yesterday. Indeed, my lord.
I mean, and if you know your law, those are privileged documents.
Yes.
The state, the accused are not entitled to those documents as a matter of right.
Family, the next clip we are going to listen to Advocate Mgomezulu as he was giving his side on what actually led to the dispute that was there between the defense and Advocate Baloyi. Family, let's watch and listen.
My colleague, Mr. Baloyi,
Yeah.
with the purpose of obtaining such copies. So it came this morning that there is a dispute regarding that, but yes, the whole of afternoon yesterday, there was no such a dispute. But in relation to, if I can take the court back to the request that we made during the evidence of Mr. Mkhane, Sergeant Mkhane,
Yeah.
the court made an order that we should have access to the docket.
Yes, of course, yeah.
And there
But
was
not copy anything. That's why I said it must happen in this court. Because the last time you remember what happened.
I remember what happened.
Yeah, the order was taken and shown to your clients. That's why I said the rider it was not even taken to my sitting room.
My lord, it all emanated from dockets 163. But now the state is alleging serious allegations against the accused.
Where?
And in terms of State versus Shabalala, he was supposed to disclose such information for a purpose of consultation.
Which one? Which information is that?
I mean, regarding the alleged or pending matter of murder.
In the Nongoma case.
The Nongoma case.
No, State versus Chabalala is not applicable. Please.
That's what was
State versus Chabalala is applicable to a case which is going to be heard at a particular time, where the indictment is drawn and where your clients have pleaded. Then you give, as a matter of constitutional right, in terms of State versus Chabalala, then the state is obliged, they have no choice, to give you all the contents of the dockets which they are going to use, except, of course, classified information.
My Lord,
But this is not applicable to Nongo. I said I'm making the order in fairness to you because there is a possibility that you may want to glean information which affects the admissibility and otherwise of the confession, and you want to raise certain issues.
but my submission, my Lord, is that when the court remembers, every time the state is disclosing new evidence during the course of the trial, within the trial, was furnishing us with the contents, of which such contents, most of them, were not discovered during the trial. In this case, the issue of 163 started during trial within the trial. So why is the state at this stage reluctant if during the course of it was, we even call it ambush discovery? Why are they not open before this honorable court and give us the content so that we go through?
No, but Mr. Advocate Ngomezulu,
Yes,
the state has been ordered to hand over the dockets to you guys.
yes.
The proviso is that they must be read by you in this court. You can read it to page 1 to page 100, no problem. But you are not allowed to make copies of those.
Court, please.
That's the order. It's a simple order.
That has not been done.
And I never said you can't make notes, but you can't make copies.
Court, please.
So that is the order.
To emphasize the reason why Judge Ratha said the documents must not be copied, all they have to do was just to make a study on them. They can take notes, but never make copies out of those documents. He gives a background story of what happened in the previous court, the same case of the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial. Family, let's watch.
Because there's evidence here through Sergeant Bokhano that he doesn't know you, Mr. Ngomezulu, and your attorney. He doesn't know how you acquired that information, which is confidential to the police. Do you remember that?
Yes, exhibit review.
Yeah, you remember. The investigating officer in that matter, he says he doesn't know how you gained access. You are not to blame, your attorney. He doesn't know how your attorney gained access to that confidential information. It was not officially acquired because according to Mokhano, if it was, he has to authorize it. So it's not just a simple thing like.
Ngoba inkantolo ikhulumisa nisakhumbula nyakenye kunelinye iphepha ekuthi liye laphuma nathi nanani senibonile. Ithi inkosi yenkantolo uSargeant Mokhano uye wathi akazi ukuthi ubabu Ramsipili uyithole kanjani lawo maphepha ngaphambi kokuthi azokhishwa nakini. Ngoba lawo maphepha lawo bekwamaphepha ekuthi abhalelwe akwamelanga ukuthi abonwe yiwonke umuntu. Ingakho nawo lawa inkosi yenkantolo ithi akwamelanga ukuthi kwenziwe amakhophi azobonwa yiwonke umuntu. Ingakho efuna ukuvikela lamadokodo.
And if you remember, Mokhano said his job and deliberations are governed by the Official Secrets Act. Did he say that? I mean, he said that. That's why I'm making such an order.
Family, we all remember when Advocate Ngomezulu came up with a document that shocked the whole court. I remember after he introduced that document, as a defense against what the witness, Sergeant Mokhano, was saying, the Judge Ratha said He must continue to read that document out, the dates, everything that was on that document. And it was found out that it was a document from Kwanongoma that was not supposed to go out to the public. So, family, it is very sensitive, to work with such cases. Everybody needs to be careful. Hence, Judge Ratha says, let's try by all means not to compromise the secrecy of this case. Family, thank you very much for watching this video to the end. Please like it before you leave. Subscribe for my channel. See you on the next upload. Bye.